Hello, everyone. Welcome to the latest report on the highly anticipated space exploration mission. On April 14, 2024, the world witnessed the historic launch of the JUICE mission, an ambitious project by the European Space Agency. This mission aims to unravel the mysteries surrounding the planet Jupiter and its fascinating moons. Let's delve further into the journey and objectives of this extraordinary mission. On April 14, 2024, the European Space Agency launched the JUICE mission from the Guiana Space Centre in French Guiana using the Ariane 5 rocket. This mission aims to begin an 8-year journey to Jupiter, where it will closely study 3 of the giant gas planet's large moons: Ganymede, Callisto, and Europa. The initial launch was actually scheduled for April 13th, but it was postponed by 1 day due to unfavorable weather conditions. Interestingly, the JUICE mission has a very tight launch schedule. The spacecraft must be launched at a very specific time, within a 1-second window. This precision is necessary to ensure the spacecraft gains the correct acceleration at the right moment. On its journey to Jupiter, JUICE will orbit Venus, Earth, and the Moon to increase its speed and adjust its trajectory. To accomplish this, all the planets must be in the right positions relative to each other. The launch of the JUICE mission involved several key steps. Less than half an hour after liftoff, the 6,200-kilogram vehicle separated from the upper stage of the Ariane 5 rocket. Then, about 9 minutes after separation, the spacecraft contacted the ground station and began deploying its large cross-shaped solar panels. JUICE's solar panels consist of 10 cells, each measuring 2.5 by 3.5 meters, with a total area of 85 square meters. During launch, these panels were stacked inside the Ariane 5 rocket's fairing. The deployment of these panels is a critical step for the mission's success. About 100 minutes after launch, the mission team received confirmation that the solar panels had been successfully deployed. Over the next 17 days, the JUICE spacecraft will deploy a 2.5-meter diameter antenna and a magnetometer, which will collect data on Jupiter's magnetic field and its Galilean moons. Then, over the course of 2 months, scientists will verify that the JUICE spacecraft and its 10 scientific instruments are functioning properly. Among these instruments are an ultraviolet spectrometer to capture images of Jupiter's and Ganymede's auroras, a submillimeter spectrometer to study Jupiter's atmosphere and the exospheres of its moons, as well as the thermophysical properties of the moon's surfaces, a laser altimeter to study tidal deformation and the surface topography of Ganymede, several cameras to study global, regional, and local features of the moons and map Jupiter's cloud cover, a magnetometer to determine the characteristics of Jupiter's magnetic field and its interaction with Ganymede's magnetic field, a spectrometer to image Jupiter's moons and determine the composition of their icy surfaces, several sensors to characterize the plasma environment of the Jovian system, an ice-penetrating radar to study the subsurface structure of the icy moons to depths of up to 9 kilometers, instruments to study Jupiter's radio emissions, and a suite of instruments to study the gravitational fields of Jupiter's moons and the structure of Jupiter's ionosphere. The journey to Jupiter is expected to take 7.5 years. The spacecraft will reach the giant gas planet in December 2031. The JUICE mission will enable scientists to learn more about Jupiter's moons as potential sites for life in the past or even possibly in the present. The equipment carried by JUICE will answer key questions such as what Jupiter's ocean moons are like, why Ganymede is so unique, whether life could or ever existed in the Jovian system, how Jupiter's moons formed, and what a gas giant planet is and how it formed. Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system, will be studied in detail to understand its role in the Jupiter system and its unique interactions with Jupiter's environment. The JUICE spacecraft will be the first spacecraft ever to orbit a moon in the outer solar system. With the successful launch of the JUICE mission, the space community eagerly awaits the extraordinary discoveries that will result from in-depth studies of Jupiter and its moons. This mission will not only enhance our understanding of the largest planet in the solar system, but also open new possibilities about life beyond Earth. We all hope that JUICE's journey proceeds smoothly and provides valuable insights for science. Stay tuned to follow the progress of the JUICE mission and witness new history in space exploration.